ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ورتل القرآن ترتيلا قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما بعثت ولأتمم مكارم الأخلاق صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم. Starting with the holy name of Allah, who is most merciful, beneficent and almighty. Respected teachers, honorable guests and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Today, I have been given a chance to enlighten education in Islam. Respected teachers, Islam places high value on education. Is the faith spread among the people. The first revelation on Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, from Allah was Iqra, and it's also narrated in the Holy Quran. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that I have been sent as a teacher. Respected teachers, education became an important channel through which to create a universal and cohesive soul order. By the middle of 9th century, education was divided into three parts. The first one is philosophical sciences, the second one is Islamic sciences, and the third one is literary arts. The system of education in Islam was unintegrated and undifferentiated, but tending to place in a variety of institutions among them. The first one is Halfa, the paid schools. The third one is masjids and the madrasas. By the 12th century, scholarship in Islamic education was induced by such scholars. Few are Umar al-Hayam, al-Bayruni, al-Razi and Ibn Sina. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, for who follows the path for seeking knowledge, Allah will ease him the path to paradise. Now, I have came to the end of my speech. Thank you for your full attention. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.